Alright, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first video. Hey chicken, go their way. Rooster, hey Clifford, good boy. It's like Mardi Gras, I just throw shit at them. They love it. Okay, so this is their pen, basically. I just kind of want to show y'all my chickens in the backyard and the front. This is actually the backyard. Good boy. Keep it real, I'm a little bit scared of him because he's so big, and I've always been scared of birds, but I've had these birds for years. Don't come over here. I might run away from them. Good boy. But I kind of acknowledge the big one right here. His name is Clifford. Good boy. He keeps looking at me. He knows he's being recorded. So over here, this white girl. And these don't have names. That one don't have a name. Uh-oh, here's another rooster. So I got a bunch of roosters. And like I said, I acknowledge this one because he's the boss. He'll kick his ass in a minute. Watch. Good birds. I just kind of give them reassurance. Hi, buddy. Rooster, rooster. I just kind of throw stuff. We've kind of built this whole little chicken coop over the years. I'll show this in a minute when I go in there. Right now I got one over here. Got to kind of keep him happy. Ugh. I got one trying to mate. He's about to get beat up by Clifford. It's like a soap opera. Good boy. Oh, there's two in there. Look, here comes one. No? Okay, so they're constantly running from each other. There's too many roosters in here. They do kind of mate with them a lot. He does. She is the smartest and oldest chicken that I have. She's a Bantam. Hey, buddy. And she's gotten away. She's got into the dog pen before because they're smart. And here he comes. I'm gonna back up. So she's gotten away from the dogs. I thought she died one time, and it was like 2 years ago. So she's pretty old. I don't even think she lays eggs anymore. She might, and they eat them. I try to get in there as much as possible. Oh, shit. He's right here up on me. Yeah, I see you. And I just kind of, this is the inside of my house, and this is the outside. So, here you go. Yeah, I hear you. I see you. Go over there, Buck. Call them all Buck. Because they say buck, buck. Yep. And it's kind of shaky because I'm throwing chicken feed at him. He's looking at me all crazy. This is the part I get scared about. Because they're big. I might have to cull them. If they ever attack me, I will. But they seem like gentlemen. They seem like they're doing their job. Good boy. I just try to be sweet to them. I never try to, like, provoke them or be mean. I know people do that with chickens, and then they, like, stay attacking them. See this one over here? Just kind of throw it. What doesn't go in there, the other ones get. Buck, buck. Throwing that over here to them. I'm surprised Clifford has not beat him up yet. He look at the spurs on that one. Goodness. Look at those spurs. He's the big one. He's a good bird. He's a gentleman. Whenever, it used to be, I would open this door and they would all try to rush in my house. And so they're kind of creepy, kind of freaky. Look, right here, right up on me. A rooster in his natural habitat. Okay, that's as close as I'm getting. So I can actually see through here with this dirty window. Yeah, the video is kind of jumpy. Hi, buddy. He's more scared of me than I am of him. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, we missed it. Good bird. So he just did his mating dance. That's why I zoomed into him. He just circled the chicken with his mating dance. Look at this one. He is not fucking with me. Don't come over here. I can't stop running. Oh, fuck. I messed up. I was trying to get his ass fed, and I just dropped a bunch of shit right here, so they'll come and eat that. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? You gotta move out the way. I need these eggs. Yeah, dirty window. Sorry about that. So, Clifford is a big boss, and he's a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy, Clifford. And then there was Norman, but I can't tell which one is Norman. And then I named one Shaky Star because he has one eye. It didn't start off like that. I don't know if you've ever seen Preacher, but the bad guy, he got one eye, and his name is K Star, K Star. I don't know. But that's the one with one eye. That's his name. What you looking at? What are you doing? You trying to eat my eggs? Are you the one? Oh, shit. Here's another one. What are you doing? You gonna get him? Or are you trying to get me? Okay. This door might slam. He's trying to get all of his food I spilled right here. They got pretty good eyesight. You know, birds usually do. A bird's eye view. But what are you gonna do? You just still gonna stand there and eat? So I guess I'm not getting their eggs today. I will later. I'll feed them more food. Oh shit, he's right here in front of me. That scares me. Hi, buddy. Oh shit, they've never been this close to me. I'm freaking out. Oh, don't come over here. You can eat, just don't come in my house. Okay, he says something to me. Some of the stuff, there's his mating dance. I don't know if you've seen him do that little spin, but that's a chicken mating dance. I know it's a bad angle. It's this door that never closes.
Wait, what?
I mean, okay, so it closes, but when I go get the eggs, I shut myself in there. You're a good boy. A good bird. A good bird. Buck. Oh, there's white girl. Hi, girl. She stays to herself. She does not let them get her. She does not let them mate with her. She runs. She's fast. What? Looking at me. So they got an extra nesting box right here. DE, diatomaceous earth. Why are you looking at me though? You freaking me out. Stop it. Get him, Clifford. He's close to me. Clifford, get this one. Clifford, look at him. Look how close he is. Clifford, come here. Buck. Try to call my henchman. Clifford is not fucking with me. He has found some food. Actually, I think that's the water from the air conditioner. Why do you prefer that over the other water? Tap water. Good bird. You're a good boy. Oh, shit. Here he comes. He's a big one. He's like to my knees. And I'm 5'5". Ooh, hey. Hi. You're a good bird. Oh, here comes a... Oh, now it's about to go down because she's isolated right here by herself. Hi, baby. Go lay me an egg. Yep. And then what she's doing is she's going to go up there.
Honey?
Yeah, go lay an egg.
With COVID-19 and my heart disease, I'm not going to be. If it's COVID, Paxlovid.
Paxlovid is an oral treatment for adults with mild to moderate COVID-19 and a high risk factor for it becoming severe. It does not prevent
trying to get her. Good boy. Oh, can't really see it. You can't really see it. He's doing something. He might come and rush this one that's right here. There's a big one right here. Might come and rush that one. Look, it's getting close. What? Is a wasp. Good bird. These good boys. What do you hear? A bird? A big bird? Okay, now let's see what she's doing. She's still trying to find her way to the nest. I don't know if you can see her. Oh, there's a rooster in there. Hey, buddy, you got to get out of there. Them's my eggs. You trying to show her what to do? Yep, go in there. I'll let you lay your egg. I'll give you privacy. Matter of fact, I am going to shut this light off. And she's in there. Yeah, it's okay. Go lay your egg. See which one you go in. Yeah, I try to clean this window right here, both sides, and it gets so dirty. Yeah, go lay me an egg. These are the nesting boxes, and there's 4. I think there's 4. Yeah, there's 4 on each side. I don't know if you can see them. I hear you. Okay, they're cooing and stuff. There's another one back right here. There's the white girl. Okay, and the other ones are over here. I don't go out there, but it is right here. There's a fence. All right, they're growling at me and stuff, so I'm gonna go in. She's trying to lay an egg, and so they need protection and from the roosters. So that is the backyard chickens. That's just the first view. Thanks for watching.